What's up, everybody? Dennis Racing 35 here. Sorry about the portrait mode, but that's all I can do to make this work. Me making a rare on-camera appearance. The machinery you see here is my friend Wayne's car, and I'm going to be welding. Sorry, bear with me here. I'm going to be welding the, if you can see here, you probably can't because the thing sucks, but I'll move this out of the way so you can see. Where can I attach this? Let's go here. Right here there's a kink. He hit the wall the other day, and pretty much have to, if you can still hear me, I'm going to have to re-weld that. We can't really straighten it out, so I'm just going to hit it with a couple tack welds. They're going to be the messiest welds you've ever seen. But I'm going to attempt. So here goes nothing. I can't see. Yep, nope. I gotta clip this. There we go. Take steps. Or not. Come on, you little bitch. Yep. Fucking A. It's coming up too quick. Ah, that's the wire speed. That's not the voltage. Okay. I've never used this welder before, so forgive me for my sloppiness. Much better. Yeah, that's a sloppy ass weld, but I'm gonna grind it down so it'll look a little bit better. And then I've got to touch up right here because I kind of fucked that up too when I was grinding. There used to be a post that went from here down to here, and yeah, so let's go righty on this even though I'm a lefty. Come on. Yeah, that looks like shit. Professional welder I am not. But it's an Iron Man car. It'll get the job done. Time for some grinding. Oh, picked up the wrong one. You can tell I'm a redneck when it comes to this shit, huh? Alright, so I'll just hit that with a little bit of paint. A little bit of flat black spray paint, and we'll be golden. Now for this one. That's as clean as that's going to get, pretty much. I could go at it a couple more times, but... Ow. Wow. That wire Troy uses is freaking tough. But anyways, that's, I guess how to fix how to fix an Iron Man car the redneck way. That has structural damage. So yeah, enjoy.